Not doing anything, Bob. It's just when you wait for a part so you can continue with everything else, you finally get the piece you need to bolt this stuff up, and now this isn't. This is not playing along like it's supposed to. So, you know, this is it. We're coming over to Hump, and Noah said he put the motor that we worked out the deal up with him. He had fixed it up and he put it on the dyno to make sure it was, you know, running right and everything, which is fine, I guess. But we need to get all that stuff here so we can start getting this cart put together, and putting 4 wheels, new tires, get the sticker kit on the body work and all that stuff, and get it in one piece. Maybe if it warms up before second week in April 11, I think is his first race weekend at Fremont. We may take him over to the parking lot and have him run in the brakes and scuff in the tires and all that kind of stuff. So he doesn't show up down there with new suit, new helmet, new gloves, new shoes, new go-kart, new tires, new track to him. I mean, all his new format and everything, and the poor kid be throwing up in his helmet and stuff, you know. That's it. That's the RPM update in the China shop out here working on Bray's cart. We're just gonna have to just break down and RPM this thing out ourselves if we want to get it done anytime soon. So, Godspeed, God bless, hang in here. We're praying for you all.